Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I brought the burgundy back 99J to be exact, and I love it. I love this color so much, and I really liked how it looked on my skin the last time I wore it, so I got it this time but shorter. This is 18 inches and it is from WorldNewHair as well. And this one is in the body wave texture, just to switch things up a bit. And I'm pretty sure it's 13 by 4. I want to say it's a 13 by 4, and it's transparent lace, so it was really easy to work with. I did bleach the knots just to do it, but you really don't have to. And I also plucked it myself. It's really thick, like it was a 200 density wig, so I had to pluck a lot. But if you guys don't want to pluck a lot, then just get a lower density wig. And the hair is soft and just easy to work with. I had no troubles, and the color looks awesome. It's even everywhere, very soft. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, then I have all the information in the description down below. This is the 99J dark, not the light, because I know they have one that's like more like a hot pink, but it's still 99J, but this is the dark, if you guys want for reference. And yeah, if you guys would like to see how I styled this wig and how I did this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so like the usual, bald cap method is already done, and here is the wig. Really excited. I loved when I wore this color last time, so I wanted to try it in a shorter length and body wave. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it body wave. I might just add a bit of curls, but I kind of want to try like all the way straight, like layers, but I'll see how it goes. And the lace is really white. It is transparent lace. It's a bit more on the thicker side, but it's not too bad. I think I'm going to have to put my foundation. Yeah, I'm definitely going to add my foundation onto it. I think that's better. But I still want it darker. Yeah, it definitely has to be darker. Okay, I'm just going to make it darker and be right back. Okay, this should do the job. I don't want to make it any darker because then there's no going back. Okay, now I'm just putting the wig where I want it to go. I accidentally burnt myself with a hot comb right here, so I'm using that as a guide because I know that's where my edges started. It fits just like the other one that I wore. Now I'm just cutting around the ears just so I can pull it closer. It's just a bit tight around the ears, but this I could work with. I had another wig recently that I was supposed to film, and my sideburns were just fully exposed. I don't know why they always make them with different shapes. Looks like it just fits perfectly, and I made an outline with the dots, and now that's where my glue is going to go. And for glue, I'm going to be using Ghost Bond Platinum, and I'm going to put about 2 to 3 layers. I'm just cleaning the space where the glue is going to go with some alcohol. I hope this looks really good because I feel like I haven't done installs for a while. I did my black one recently, but I wasn't really too happy with how that one came out. But a lot of people liked it, surprisingly, but I personally didn't like it. I've been taking a break from a lot of things, so when you get back to it, it's just different all the time, but I hope this one works out. There's just so many things going on. It's a lot to deal with. So I've just been trying to take some mental health breaks and take some time off, just so that I can get my shit together. So if I ghost, like just disappear out of nowhere, just know I'm going through it, but I'm always gonna be back. So I got the glue on, and when it's clear, that's how you know it's ready. All you gotta do is align the dots. When you do this, make sure you're pulling so that it's nice and snug. You don't want the lace to be all loose, or else it's gonna create like creases and bubbles. And now with this on, I'm gonna tie this elastic band. You just want something that's really, doesn't have to be an elastic band. You could use a silk scarf if you'd like to, but this just gets the job done a little better just because of how strong it is. And then just wait about like 3 to 5 minutes and I'll be back to cut the lace. Time to take it off. I don't know why this install is scaring me. Like, did I forget how it's supposed to look? I don't know. The ears are always so annoying to do. Just be careful, don't cut your ear. I'm actually surprised that the lace tint and the foundation that I put matches. I'm pretty sure. Well, it matches on this side. I wish the knots were like less visible. I don't think it's that visible on camera, but it's just a little visible, but it's okay. We can make this work still. I'm just gonna glue whatever is lifting and then I'll be back to do the edges and styling. Got it on and I'm liking it. So now for the edges. So I'm gonna have some baby hairs over here. I want them pretty big, not like huge, but kind of, not small. You guys will see what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to map out where. I'm gonna tie back the extra hair. I don't think I want any baby hairs in the front. I'm just gonna take my hot comb, and this time gently. I'm not gonna burn myself again. It was just like on the lace part, not the skin part. I'll probably curl these like tomorrow or something, like the baby hairs. It's actually really easy, so you don't have to make it too short if you want to curl it, because if it is short then you don't really have enough space to curl. And now using the Lotta Body mousse. A lot of you guys always ask me, but it's Lotta Body. This is my favorite mousse. I haven't found a better one yet. You guys can tell me what your favorites are. I always make my edges bigger than how I actually want them, so that later there's room to cut instead of making them too short. I should use a silk wrap, but I'm just going to use the same elastic for now. Alright, and now for the actual hair. I don't know why this is pushing my ears out. I'll deal with this later. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. And it's the heat protector. Just putting a little bit. I like the shine it gives too. Ooh, I love this color. I feel like this one's darker than the last one I wore, which I like. I like the darker colors. Like this one is giving me more purple, while the other one was more like red. But I like both anyways. And now for the curls. I'm not gonna do curls, but kind of like a blowout look. That's what I mean. And I'm just going to take bigger sections. So soft. I love how soft it is. I'm not going to focus too much on the roots, but you want to just curl it outwards. Okay, you can't really see. Hold on. Okay, I already did it, but I'm going to show you guys on another piece. I literally just want like a messy curl look, so. And just like this, all the way down. This situation right here, just some loose type of wave situation, so that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the hair. I just realized something. I actually like the texture of the hair, like not the front part but the back. Like the waves, they're already nice, so I don't know what I'm doing. Like I'm just pretty much doing the same thing. Let me just use my wax and flatten out the front and do my middle part, and then if I need to style the front, I'll style the front, but I don't need to put in too much work. It's already wavy. I don't know what I was thinking, but let me just use my hot comb and wax and make a middle part. now I'm thinking, am I making the right decision? Should I do a side part? I just did a side part. I'm gonna do middle. It's like getting flat really easily. Unlike the last wig I was just wearing, took me forever just to lay it flat. Like, it's the same density, I believe, but that one was just too thick for me. Okay, now I kind of want to do side part. I think I'm gonna do side part. No, not. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how indecisive I am? This is me with anything in my life. Because when I straighten it, I really want that middle part look, so it's all good. Plus, I think the side part with colored wigs looks better when it's like a long wig. So this is the front. I like put what's it called? I bleached the knots and I only washed the front part, so that's why this part's a bit more poofy. Taking like huge chunks like this and then just flaring it outwards. I want to layer this a specific way, so that's why I'm just curling it for the sake of the video. But after this video, I'm probably gonna layer it and straighten it, I think. These are like my lazy curls. Like if I'm rushing and I just want to get some curls in, that's pretty much what I do. Alright. This hair is so cute. Okay, let me take this out. My ears look so funny. Alright, so first I'm going to pluck. I think it's a bit too much. I think that's better. Why the color change? I just noticed. I think I like the sideburns how they are. I'm taking like the tiniest bit of mousse, if you guys can see. And I just put it more on the ends, not on the lace part. I'm just shaping them again. And then once they're dry, I'll brush it out. And now for the middle part, I think it is middle. And the last step, we gotta fix this middle part. So I'm gonna pluck. Perfect. Looks really cute. Here is the final look. The hair, of course, is bomb. I've already tried this hair before and it's up to par. I love the color. Everything about it is just bomb. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I can't wait to like style this in different ways. I really want to do like some layered, like that straight layered 90s look, if you know what I mean, where it just like turns in, where you have to bump the ends, and I think it's gonna look really cute. But I'm really happy with this. The hair is so soft, very easy to like use and put on and stuff like that, especially for like beginning and stuff like that. I don't know, just something about it is so easy. Like even this install, I feel like didn't take me too long to do, but it looks so cute. Color is amazing. I do think this one is darker than like my last one that I tried though, which I like better, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.